Hi everyone! This is a video to accompany your practicing of the Hanukkah medley on page 43 of the Green Book. We have been working on the melody part, which is the top part. Please take a note that in the key signature, at the beginning you have the F sharp and C sharp. So you have the high first finger on the E string, and you have a high 2 C sharp on the A string. Now, if you go to bar 33, what happens? You only have the F sharp. There's no more C sharp. So from bar 33 until the end of the piece, make sure that all your C's, these C's on the A string, is a low 2 and not a high 2. Let's make sure we know what that means. Let's play a C sharp on the A string. Let's start with open A. B natural, first finger. C sharp is high 2. Good. Now to make a C natural, you're going to scoot your second finger close to where your first finger B natural is. Here's my C natural, C sharp, C natural, C sharp. Excellent. So here we go. I'm going to play the piece from the beginning to the end at a very slow tempo so that we get our intonation correct. Here we go. After 4 beats, please. Make sure your bow hold is ready and your hand position is like this, with your thumb pointing toward the ceiling with the invisible egg inside the palm of your left hand. Bow is at the frog. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Retake bar 9. Retake bar 17. And 1 and 2. C natural. Rest. Make sure that you don't rush through those 8th notes, that you give it a good down and up bow, but the 8th notes will be much shorter. You do not need to use the entire length of the bow. Short bows for the faster 8th notes. Have fun, you guys. Thank you.